Hi everyone, today we are going to just make that logo in Word and we are going to use every element in Word without using any third party software or any third element. We are going to use everything in Word and you can see it is the shape in Word and you can just change everything here. How we are going to design that logo? Just get started. Okay, first we are just going to come into insert and in insert we have different shapes like these one. These are all complete shapes. What we are going to take, like we have that oval or circle and you can see two option here. One is outline and one is fill. Fill is the center part and outline is the border. And if you don't need the border, in this case we don't want that border, then we are going to click no outline. Then you can see we have no available option right now. Now I'm going to copy that and I'm going to copy, and once again I'm going to paste. Okay, now when I'm going to paste, we are going to just change the fill color to white. Now since that is already here but we can only see the white space, not like that one. Therefore I think we are going to increase the size little bit, and you are going to get like this shape. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click these both and we are going to click on group, and now it is one like object. Okay, once again I'm going to copy that one, Control C and Control V. It is the shortcut. You are going to click Control C and Control V, and now I have rotated that one. You are going to click on that icon, rotation icon, and we are going to just bring that here, something like this one. And you can already see that we have a little bit problem, and we can change it, and it should be like this one. Okay, now I think it should be like this, and we are just going to adjust a little bit that circle, and we are going to rotate maybe like this, and we are just going to, just with arrow key I'm going to just adjust the position of that object. What I'm going to next, we are going to select that one and that one as well. We can also group that. Let me just group that. I have grouped that one. I can also change the color of that object, maybe that one, and we are going to I have double clicked that, and we are going to change that maybe to gray. Yeah, that one. And now we are going to come in insert once again, and I'm going to click here, and we are going to make one shape like that one, and you can see it is simple as that. And we can just remove the outline as well, same procedure and same thing. We are going to make like head, and I'm going to click on the square, and we are going to click something like that one and just remove the outline, and you can see it is already getting shape, and we have like it is a cape. And I'm going to click both of that one, and we are going to click on the gray, same color, and we bring it a little bit down. Maybe I'm going to just take it little to the down, and now once again we have just place it here, maybe just take it upward, and now that is how it looks. We can also just give that a little bit white space to just make it like it is separated from that. Maybe I can use that object, that one, and I'm going to copy, paste. You can see I have that object, and we can like make these like this one. Okay, now I need to just change its color once, and after changing its color, you can see I have to just take it to bake, send to bake. Okay, it is all bake, and I'm using like arrow key. Now what I'm going to do, we are going to right click once again on that blue one, and I'm going to bring it to forward, and maybe we have like this one, and I'm going to just take that one, that two, maybe that two, and let me first group, and then send it to bake, send it to bake. Yeah, I have that blue now, and I'm going to change that its color after double clicking to white. Now you can see the white space. We can adjust that one like this. Yeah, exactly. And I am going to little bit adjust everything. Now you can see we have like this one, and one more thing I'm going to do, and let me just increase a little bit the size, maybe pressing the shift, and we are going to increase its size a little bit. Yeah, now it's okay. And insert, and we can just take shape, and I have like free form, and we are going to make like free form something like this one, and it should be like the head. Okay, now see, I can also adjust the size of that one, and maybe like this one, and to the front. Yeah, I'm going to change its color. Since it is outline, therefore we have to change the outline. Now you can see we have little adjustment here. Maybe I'm going to just adjust it with arrow key. Yeah, that is fine. Now once you have created, maybe you can just decrease the size as well, and maybe smaller. Yeah, that is fine. Now what else we are going to do, I'm going to just decrease the size, and I can write the text, for example, home, and we have in design, we have insert, and we have word box. We can use different word box, but we need art word. Okay, now in art word you can also use art word, but let me just write that text. Maybe here we are going to write in capital word, Jamshed Academy, and we can also decrease the size of that one. Coming to home, just pressing Ctrl A to select all, and you can see we have adjusted the size. Now we can just adjust the box as well, and we can bring here, and I can change the color to maybe dark gray, like the same as we have used for that gray, and it is Jamshed Academy. Maybe I'm going to use Helvetica for better like font option, and also we can decrease the size a little bit more, and here we have like done everything. And Jamshed Academy, for example, I'm going to use one more tagline, just copy that and paste here, and we are going to use like light gray, maybe yeah, that one, and I'm going to write like free educational resources. Okay, now we are going to just, since it is tagline, we are going to decrease the size, font size, and we are going to bring it here. And now you can see it is an amazing logo, and it is completely designed in Word, and you have got the idea that everything is okay. Now you can also just get everything here. For example, select all and select all. Now what you are going to select all, and maybe I'm going to select one by one everything, and yeah, we have like that one. Okay, and I hope you like the idea that how you are going to design and academic logo. Maybe you are going to bold that one as well if you are going to comfortable with that, and it will be bold like something like this one. And if you are like comfortable with bold, or you are going to use like that one, maybe I'm going to use bold is like more, you can see that what is going on and what is happening here. And if you are going to use simple like letter, you can just check the design and see that what is happening and what is going on. Okay, now since that is a simple logo, you can change the color, everything as well. And I hope you got the idea how we are going to design any logo using Word document. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you everyone so much, and goodbye.